मैं मैट्रिक पास हूँ, अंग्रेजी पूरा नहीं आता है, शपथ पत्र अंग्रेजी में है, इसमें क्या लिखा है नहीं मालूम है। ये अमेंडमेंट कब से आया है?
2010
कब फाइल किया था क्लेम इन्होंने?
2001 में।
तो फिर ये कैसे अप्लाई हुआ? तो फर्स्ट राउंड तो गया आपका। चलिए, टेलीकॉम का है ये केस तो?
टेलीकॉम सर।
टेलीकॉम में इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन कब से होने लगा? 25% बैक पेजेस क्यों आया है मैडम? ये वेयर इज द एविडेंस? किसकी एविडेंस है? उतनी अकेली एविडेंस काफी है? पार्टी किसको बनाया है? वेयर इज योर अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर?
92 में टर्मिनेट हुआ।
मिस्टर मिश्रा, आपके साथ प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आप वो पढ़ना चाहते हैं जो कि आप
द परमिशन कैन नॉट बी ग्रांटेड।
आपके अगर अधिकारी चिट्ठी लिखना नहीं जानते तो उसके लिए क्या किया सकता? जो लिखा नहीं उसको कैसे पढ़ लेंगे? तो उन्होंने क्या कहा है अपने एफिडेविट में? कौन खिला रहा था उनको खाना?
अगर वो किसी तरह जिंदा है तो दैट डजंट मीन दैट।
शपथ पत्र अंग्रेजी में है, उसमें क्या लिखा है नहीं मालूम है।
Lordship, they are continuous defaulter in making the payment under section 17B and only
इसको फाइनली सुन लेते हैं ना, बताइए।
yes sir.
खत्म करते हैं
सर। द कंप्लायंस रिपोर्ट आई हैव फाइल्ड विद
डॉक्यूमेंट। किया होगा तो अब मैरिज पे बताइए क्या मैटर है।
सर माय फर्स्ट कंटेंशन इज the claimant approached tribunal after lapse of 8 years, which is beyond limitation as per section 2A of the Industrial Disputes Act, wherein the limitation prescribed is 3 years.
इंडस्ट्रियल डिस्प्यूट एक्ट लीजिएगा। जी, और क्या ग्राउंड्स हैं आपके?
The second ground is he been appointed on a project, on a scheme. He willfully dissent to join and he asked for his transfer to Balia, that is at Uttar Pradesh. He is residing at Uttar Pradesh. So that is not possible because that scheme is being closed.
2A.
Lordship, 2A.
Small a, appropriate government means. 2 capital A क्या है?
Sir, 2 capital A.
2 capital A.
Section 2A subclause 3.
हाँ।
मैं read.
ये अमेंडमेंट कब से आया है?
Sir, this amendment came in 2010.
और ये कब फाइल किया था क्लेम इन्होंने?
Sir, claim has been filed in
2001 में। तो फिर ये कैसे अप्लाई हुआ? तो फर्स्ट ग्राउंड तो गया आपका। चलिए, अब दूसरा ग्राउंड बताइए।
The second ground is he himself dissent to join at the place where he was appointed as a daily wager. In fact, he was not appointed. He was the work has been taken by the department with regard to scheme for electrification.
जी।
So that is by the railway in the railway department.
टेलीकॉम का है ये तो?
टेलीकॉम सर।
टेलीकॉम में इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन कब से होने लगा भाई?
सर इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन सर जो वायरिंग
कौन सी वायरिंग होती है?
सर जो टेलीकम्युनिकेशन की वायरिंग केबल डाली जाती है सर, फॉर दैट वेरी पर्पस। For installation of towers and for installing the instrument, the cable is to be.
ये 25% बैक पेजेस क्यों आया है मैडम? ये क्या एविडेंस लीड की थी आपने बैक पेजेस के लिए?
He was not
Where is the evidence?
Evidence that in the record.
पढ़िएगा, किसकी एविडेंस है?
जयप्रकाश भारती की।
उतनी अकेली एविडेंस काफी है बैक पेजेस के लिए? पढ़िएगा कहाँ है एविडेंस उनकी।
Your Lordship, this is I Jayaprakash.
एक सेकंड। I Jayaprakash Bharti, yes.
Yes. Muster roll casual with effect from 1/1/1986 and work continuously to the total satisfaction under the control of SDO Railway Electrification Bhopal. The fact of my
रेलवे लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पर, और यहाँ पर जो है पार्टी किसको बनाया है?
electrification, railway electrification to the control of the factum of continuous working in the department.
SDO Railway Electrification. So who will be the party? क्या डिसाइड किया है इन्होंने?
My continuous
manager
working in the
department of telecommunication
gets fortified with from from the passbook maintained by the department, copy of which is filed herewith as Annexure A1.
एक second. Working. Where is your appointment order?
Your Lordship, the appointment order.
Yes.
That is Annexure A1 is the pass, and Annexure 2.
A1 is the pass issued by.
Yes. This is the pass. Annexure A2.
इसने इशू किया, हम तो सिर्फ ये जानने
As per of casual labor Shri Jaiprakash Bharti.
अच्छा चलिए, क्या
Read
कहा
it from.
बताइए, एफिडेविट में आगे पढ़िएगा। हाँ।
The Railway Electrification Project Department of Telecom Bhopal has issued the statement reflecting the number of days I have worked. This is evident from the statement duly signed by the
क्रॉस
accounts.
एग्जामिनेशन का पैरा 9 पढ़िएगा, उससे आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा। ये वकील साहब ने लिखवाया है ये। मैं मैट्रिक पास हूँ, अंग्रेजी पूरा नहीं आता है, शपथ पत्र अंग्रेजी में है, इसमें क्या लिखा है नहीं मालूम है। जब उसको यही नहीं मालूम कि शपथ पत्र में क्या लिखा है।
No, that was read to him.
कहाँ लिखा है उसमें?
Your Lordship, in the verification, I said that
verification
it was
say anything.
I
In cross
Jaiprakash
examination,
read out to me.
In cross examination, he admits कि इसमें क्या लिखा है इसको नहीं मालूम। Then how
Your Lordship,
relying on
English में वो नहीं मालूम उसको।
हाँ तो
English में
उसमें क्या लिखा है नहीं मालूम।
इंग्लिश में क्या लिखा है वो नहीं मालूम।
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं लिखा है।
पर वो क्रॉस पे ऐसा इंग्लिश में वो पूछ रहे थे कि इसमें क्या लिखा है इंग्लिश में, वो क्या मालूम है, तब उन्होंने बोला नहीं मालूम।
ठीक। और क्या ग्राउंड्स हैं आपके?
Actually, second is he himself dissented to join at the place where he was asked to work.
कहाँ है वो?
Sir,
Where is the dissent?
sir, in 1990, it is along with my petition. That is dated 9/9/1992, page number 24.
Page 24 of the petition.
Lordship. Page 24 P3, and the dissenting is page number 25.
Just a minute.
11/3/1994.
That is 94, 92 में terminate हुआ।
Just read. So, page number 24 may I read so? Which they say that he was removed from our retrains.
क्या तारीख है ये?
Sir, ये
92।
No.
कहाँ है, कौन सा आवेदन है जिसके संदर्भ में ये लिखा जा रहा है? इसमें लिखा है आपका आवेदन दिनांक 10/7/92। Where is the application in?
So that application is not available on the card. He was asked for to continue. He made an application. So for continuation, we said so कि now the scheme is been over and it is not it has not been approved by the department. Thereon, in 1994, after 2 years, अतः श्रीमान पेज नंबर 25.
पढ़िए, पेज 24 पढ़िए।
पेज 24 सर। उपरोक्त विषयांतर्गत आपको सूचित किया जाता है ऑन द एप्लीकेशन कि नियमानुसार 30th March 1986 के
मिस्टर मिश्रा, आपके साथ प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आप वो पढ़ना चाहते हैं जो कि आपसे जब मैंने बोला पेज 25 पर क्या लिखा है पढ़िए।
ऐसा उपयुक्त विषय में आपको जुलाई 1990 से अब तक के कार्य दिवसों का विवरण दे रहा हूं। जुलाई 1990 से दिसंबर 1600 एसडीओटी अंतर्गत एसीजी पर कार्य किया। जनवरी 92 टीडीसीटी बाय अरेरा एक्सचेंज में कार्य किया। तथा जनवरी 1993 से अभी तक बीमारी के कारण घर पर हूं, जिससे मेडिकल प्रमाण पत्र यही मेरा जुलाई 1992 से अब तक का रिकॉर्ड है। अतः श्रीमान जी से निवेदन है कि उपरोक्त पद पर आवश्यक कार्रवाई करने का कष्ट करें, अन्यथा मैं 22 से 88 के अंतर्गत पत्र क्रमांक नंबर सो के अंतर्गत न्यायालय की शरण लूंगा। अन्यथा पत्र क्रमांक 93 के आधार पर जिला बलिया मंडल अभियंता दूरसंचार विभाग के अंतर्गत कार्य करने का पत्र द्वारा आदेश दें, नहीं तो मैं आज से न्यायालय को ही शरण लेने को बाध्य होऊंगा।
जी
He himself dissented.
dissented नहीं है।
And he asked for transfer.
ये 92 में, ये तो ये कब का पत्र है? ये 11/3/94 का है। 92 में, जुलाई 92 के बाद में आपने क्या कार्रवाई करी?
सर 10/7/92 के बाद उनको हमने ये लेटर भेजा कि ये स्वीकृत नहीं है, और उसके बाद इन्होंने
पत्र जिसमें आपने लिखा स्वीकृत नहीं।
सर ये पेज नंबर 24।
आप पढ़िए, फिर पेज नंबर 24 पढ़िए।
पेज नंबर 24
क्या लिखा है आपने?
चूंकि लॉर्डशिप उपरोक्त विषयांतर्गत आपको सूचित किया जाता है कि नियमानुसार 30 मार्च 86 के पूर्व के भर्ती आकस्मिक मजदूर के कार्य करने के रिकॉर्ड पर ही स्वीकृति दी जा सकती है, बाद के नहीं। क्योंकि आपकी रेलवे विद्युतीकरण परियोजना दूरसंचार विभाग को भोपाल में भर्ती जनवरी 86 की है।
नियमानुसार आपको कार्य पर
रखने की स्वीकृति नहीं दी जा सकती। द परमिशन कैन नॉट बी ग्रांटेड।
आपने ये कहा कि प्रोजेक्ट बंद हो गया है, इसलिए आपको स्वीकृति नहीं दी जा सकती। कहाँ लिखा है आपने इसमें? आपके अगर अधिकारी चिट्ठी लिखना नहीं जानते तो उसके लिए क्या किया?
इनफैक्ट दैट स्कीम इज बीन क्लोज्ड।
कहाँ लिखा?
सर ये नहीं लिखा है।
तो फिर कैसे मान लिया जाएगा? जो लिखा नहीं उसको कैसे पढ़ लेंगे?
एंड देयरआफ्टर इन 1994 ही रोट दिस लेटर, पेज नंबर।
वो ठीक है, that is something different.
And sir, this cannot be termed as a retrenchment order on which the claim tribunal had reached to the conclusion of back wages with reinstatement.
Back wages तो हट जाएगी. He has not been able to prove.
Your Lordship, he submitted in this cross-examination, in that examination chief, that he is not employed.
Examination chief is not sufficient. He has to.
That non-employed. He was non-employed, Your Lordship.
ठीक है, he can. The rest of the part regarding reinstatement will be maintained, but back wages will go.
Your Lordship, he was in great hardship, Your Lordship.
Let him be in great hardship. He could have produced independent witness to show that he was not working. How he was earning his livelihood.
Your Lordship, he could not.
उन्होंने क्या कहा है अपने एफिडेविट में? कौन खिला रहा था उनको खाना?
Your Lordship, in affidavit
में क्या कहा बताइए ना?
He is not employed anywhere.
Saying this much is not sufficient. You'll have to show that who was feeding him in the meanwhile.
Your Lordship, under these conditions where he was by great difficulty, अगर वो किसी तरह जिंदा है तो that doesn't mean that he was.
तो उसको disclose तो करना पड़ेगा ना आपको.
Your Lordship, इसमें लिखा है that from the date of time I have remained unemployed.
कहाँ लिखा है ये?
Paragraph number 8, examination in chief. I am assisting my father in agricultural activities. As he owns an agricultural land advancing 1 acre. Located in village Manda, the Rasta Valia, all my needs as also the needs of my children. He was having 3 children and wife are meted out by my aged parents.
I'll pass orders. This appeal is filed by the employer being aggrieved of award dated 26th June 2013 passed by Learned Central Government Industrial Tribunal cum Labour Court Jabalpur in case number CGIT/LC/R/88/2001. Full stop. Learned counsel for the appellant submits that impugned award is arbitrary and illegal. Full stop. It is submitted that claim could not have been adjudicated by the Learned Industrial Tribunal in as much as claim was filed after more than 8 years of the alleged action of the employer in dispensing with the services of the respondent claimant herein. Full stop. It is next para. Shri Amit Mishra submits that as per the provisions contained in Section 2, Capital A, limitation for filing a case is 3 years, and therefore, when case was filed after more than 8 years, that should not have been entertained by the learned CGI. Next one. It is further submitted that White Order Annexure P3 claimant was informed that his services could not be extended as he is an appointee. He was given work in the year 1986. Full stop. It is submitted that since project had closed, therefore there was no work for the applicant, and White Annexure P4 he dictated his terms to be posted in Balia, which was not possible, and therefore there is no illegality or irregularity in the action of the employer calling for indulging Senate CJIT. In above terms, it is prayed that the petition may be allowed and impugned award be set
So
aside.
he is now 59 as per that.
Whatever it is. Next, it is further submitted that finding of back wages is arbitrary and contrary to law. Full stop. In cross-examination, claimant himself admitted that the affidavit is in English language and what is written in the affidavit is not known to him. Full stop. Thus, it is submitted that he failed to prove the factum of his unemployment during the intervening period, and that finding of back wages being contrary to the record and in violation to the provisions of law should be set aside. Full stop. It is further submitted that now claimant is aged about 59 years, and therefore no useful purpose is going to be served by allowing him to continue in work. Full stop. Next para. Srimati P. L. Srivastava, learned counsel for the claimant in her turn, reading affidavit of the claimant filed in lieu of the examination in chief, submits that in para 8, this witness has categorically deposed that from the date of termination he remained unemployed and was assisting his father in agricultural activities, as his father owns an agricultural land at measuring 1 acre located in village Manda, comma, district Balia, UP, and all his needs and needs of his children and wife were meted by his aged parents. Full stop. Reading this evidence is submitted that on record there is a entry pass issued to the claimant as contained in Annexure A1, and thereafter attendance sheets showing that he worked from time to time till 1992. Full stop. It is further submitted that claimant had never made a request for transfer to Balia till his disengagement. Full stop. It is submitted that when his request for reinstatement was terminated by by the petitioner, then he had requested them to reinstate him at Balia and take work from him at Balia. That request made in the year 1994, much after the date of disengagement, cannot be construed to be a fact that he was trying to dictate the terms and conditions of employment. Next para. She supports the claim of the workmen for back wages and submits that much cannot be read in the cross-examination, in as much as in para 9 of the cross-examination the claimant has shown his inability to read English and has not shown his inability to decipher that what is mentioned in the affidavit. Next paragraph. After hearing learned counsel for the parties and going through the record, it is evident that reliance placed by Shri Mishra on Annexure P3 to demonstrate that project in which petitioner claimant was engaged was closed is not made out. In Annexure P3 dated 9/9/1992 issued by क्या है ये कौन सा अभियंता है ये
जी सर, महाप्रबंधक
महाप्रबंधक को नीचे लिखा है ऊपर लिखा है कुछ सहायक अभियंता सहायक अभियंता there is no mention of closure of the project or completion of the work requiring disengagement of the claimant. Therefore, reliance placed by Shri Mishra on Annexure P3 to justify disengagement of the claimant is not made out. Full stop. Annexure P4 is the communication made by the claimant in terms of seeking his re-engagement. It is not a letter which can be taken to be a communication seeking dictate of dictation of his terms and conditions of employment at Balia. Next paragraph. Thus, as far as finding of retrenchment being illegal is concerned, as has been recorded by learned CJIT, I find that there is no ground to show indulgence in the matter in as much as evidence was led to prove engagement of the workmen for more than 240 days in a calendar year and not following the principles laid down in section 25F, 25N of the ID Act before his retrenchment. Full stop. To that extent, the award of the learned industrial court is upheld. Full stop. Next paragraph. As far as finding of grant of back wages is concerned, comma, that appears to be erroneous. Full stop. In the affidavit, though claimant has said that he was being looked after by his parents who were having 1 acre of land at Balia at village Manda, district Balia, UP. He has not enclosed copy of any revenue record to substantiate his claim that he was looked after by his parents on the basis of 1 acre land which was held by his father. Full stop. In absence of any revenue records, when cross-examination of the claimant is read as is mentioned in para 9, then it is evident that he has admitted that whatever is written in the affidavit is not known to him. Full stop. For clarity, it will be profitable to reproduce para 9 of cross-examination of the claimant himself. Within inverted commas 9 लिखिएगा सर्कल में उसके बाद लिखिएगा मैं मैट्रिक पास हूँ पूर्ण ग्राफ अंग्रेजी पूरा नहीं आता है पूर्ण ग्राफ शपथ पत्र अंग्रेजी में है पूर्ण ग्राफ उसमें क्या लिखा है कॉमा नहीं मालूम है पूर्ण ग्राफ thus it is evident that finding of claimant's unemployment during the intervening period is recorded without there being any independent evidence and merely on the basis of the writings in the affidavit which could not have been accepted by the tribunal in a blindfold manner. Full stop. In view of such facts, comma, the order of payment of back wages needs to be set aside and is set aside, but other part of the order declaring his termination to be illegal is required to be maintained and is hereby maintained. In above terms, appeal is
So far as regularization is also concerned.
regularization का तो कोई डायरेक्शन ही नहीं
है ना सर?
अच्छा
है.
अच्छा
Allowing benefit of regularization as per scheme. We are not sure.
termination findings regarding termination and regularization are upheld. Full stop. It is directed that appeal petitioners shall forthwith reinstate the workmen with wages from the date of the award, that is 26/6/2013, and will thereafter consider case of the claim workmen for regularization as per the regularization scheme 1989 within further period of 60 days. In above terms, petition is disposed of.
You know, Shaf, insofar as back wages are concerned, that the court held.
No further argument. Sorry.
As
Record be sent back.
संजय कुमार पटेल